Hi my friends. Today, March 31st, 2020, Autodesk Inventor Professional 2021 was released. This is the presentation. I was curious if my problem from yesterday was solved, and I want you to see what is this problem. Yesterday we made this model pipe cross connector, which had a sweep. This circular crown was to be swept on this steering curve, and the message was presented. Let's see what happens now when I use Autodesk Inventor Professional 2021. Sweep, select circular crown, select curve, and the message is present. Path does not intersect profile. It is recommended that for best results the profile intersects the path. Continue? Yes, I continue, but nothing was wrong with my simple sweep. So we will work together with this new release of Inventor, and we hope that any other problem were solved. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.